Imagine a computer that can think, learn, and make decisions almost like a human. From self-driving cars to voice assistants on your phone, artificial intelligence is already changing our world. But what exactly is artificial intelligence? And how does it actually work? Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a technology that allows computers and machines to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. This includes learning from information, solving problems, recognizing images, and even understanding speech. In simple words, AI helps machines think and learn from data. You probably use artificial intelligence every day without realizing it. Voice assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa use AI to understand your voice and answer questions. Streaming platforms and social media apps also use AI to recommend videos, movies, and posts you might like. AI learns using something called machine learning. Instead of programming every single instruction, scientists train computers using huge amounts of data. The AI analyzes patterns in the data and slowly learns how to make better decisions. The more data it receives, the smarter it becomes. Artificial intelligence is now used in many industries. In healthcare, AI helps doctors detect diseases earlier. In transportation, AI powers self-driving cars. In business, AI analyzes data to help companies make smarter decisions. And in everyday life, AI helps power the apps and devices we use daily. AI can help humans work faster and more efficiently. It can analyze huge amounts of information in seconds. This helps scientists make discoveries, businesses improve services, and doctors treat patients more effectively. However, artificial intelligence also raises important questions. Some people worry that AI could replace certain jobs. Others are concerned about privacy and how AI systems use personal data. Because of this, many experts believe AI should be developed carefully and responsibly. In the future, artificial intelligence could transform nearly every part of our lives. From smarter healthcare to advanced transportation, AI has the potential to make the world more efficient and connected. But how we use it will shape the future of technology. Now you know what artificial intelligence is and why it matters. If you enjoy simple explanations about technology, business, and global topics, subscribe to Bright Logic for more videos.